Hi boys and girls, this is Module 5, RDW, Day 3. Be sure you have a pencil, a glue stick, a copy of this paper, red and yellow counters, and a 10 frame. Pause your video and get the things that you see in this picture. Welcome back. Boys and girls, take your glue stick and glue your paper into your math journal. I'm going to read you the problem. Delilah had 15 counters. She used them to fill up a 10 frame, but had some extra. How many extra did she have? Okay, boys and girls, so you need 15 red and yellow counters. You're going to fill up this 10 frame and have some left over. How many did she have left over? Please make your teacher a seesaw video telling her how many leftover counters were there.